Hello, American River College. My name is Dionisio Esperas, and today I am sharing a wonderful recipe with you, which is a smoked chicken chili. Yes, I did say smoked chicken. Now, it's a simple recipe, and it utilizes a couple of key ingredients. One of them being dried pinto beans. I like to use dried beans whenever I make a chili or a bean dish, but you certainly can use black beans, white beans, or even canned beans. There are directions if you're using canned beans to accommodate for the shorter cooking time and for the change in liquid. And the other key ingredient is smoked chicken, one of my favorite flavors. I did make the smoked chicken myself, but you can certainly use any kind of store-bought product. There are some out there on the market. D-Still is one that comes to mind, and they make a wonderful smoked turkey. So you can use smoked chicken, smoked pork, pork loin. You can use a smoked sausage, or really any kind of meat, ground beef, ground turkey, ground chicken, or you can even go meatless. Simply take out the meat in the recipe and add a little bit more beans if you like, or a little bit more vegetables. You can change the recipe as you like. That's the wonderful thing about chili. I often make it with leftovers from my freezer. Recently I made some chili with carnitas and chorizo. That was pretty good, I have to say. Just a great way to clear out the refrigerator, and I never told my kids, and they were super happy. So I'm hoping that you will make this recipe. It is pretty straightforward, and you can change it as you like, and you can put whatever flavors or make it spicy, not spicy, whatever suits your taste. So hopefully you'll enjoy this recipe. You won't be seeing it at the Oak Cafe. It's more of kind of a casual recipe. I am an instructional assistant at the cafe, but hopefully you'll make this recipe and you'll find that this is a crowd pleaser and your go-to recipe, or as they said in the Super Bowl, it could be your goat-to recipe. Well, thank you for listening and enjoy the recipe.